morning out there, all you wreckers and runners. This is, as always, your man with the plan, the Radio Man.
Once upon a time, forget the fairy tales and get ready to journey past the stars beyond imagination.
Your arrival is well timed. I'd be hoping for a chance to put my new creation through its paces.
Many of us dream of a place where our creativity can run wild.
Oh, well, darlings, gather round and let me regale you with the fabulous tale of my life in Liverpool.
Stories. They are what makes us human. Come, traveler, take a seat. Tonight, you will live our stories.
We've held them back, but there will be more.
Cast aside those petty, mundane desires of yours. Perhaps then we shall converse.